What is common prosperity in China? In 1978, China initiated the Reform and Opening Up policy, asserting that letting some people and some regions get rich first was a necessary pragmatic step to accelerate growth. As a result, China achieved the marvelous economic growth. However, on the other hand, the level of inequality became serious. The inequality between the urban and rural areas became problematic. Even in the urban area, the gap between the haves and the haves-not has been greater. In order to reduce the inequality, the Chinese government initiated the so-called common prosperity. The operationalization of common prosperity relies on a framework structured around the concept of the three distributions. The primary distribution occurs within the market itself, focused on increasing the share of labor compensation in the initial economic output. The secondary distribution leverages the fiscal authority of the state to redistribute wealth through institutionalized policy levers. The tertiary distribution introduces a unique ethical dimension, encouraging high net worth individuals and large corporations to return wealth to society through voluntary contributions. These ways of distributions do not mean that China should go back to old days. Nonetheless, the government wanted to calibrate the enormous inequality so that it once makes society more sustainable.